As scale model makers, we all need to buy paint, but should we invest in individual pots of paint or buy a colour set, such as the example here from Vallejo? Hi, welcome back to some Blazey Model World. I'm Roger. If you're a regular viewer, thanks for rejoining us, and if you're a new viewer, you've stumbled across a channel dedicated to the world of scale model making. I recently purchased this colour set from Vallejo in order to proceed with one of my projects. It was a commission project, and Vallejo were the only option for the particular colour range that I needed. But are they good value for money? After all, if we've got a whole range of individual paint pots, can't we mix and match and use what we have in stock? Now, of course, I'm only a very small channel here on YouTube and I buy everything at full retail price. There are no freebies or promotions involved at this time of filming. That's a shame, isn't it? But there we are. So, just to prove what I've paid for this Vallejo set, here's the page from Amazon, which is where I purchased this set from. And you can see just over £16 UK sterling money. And what did we get? And was it worth it? Well, we got eight different paints. These are in 17ml eyedropper tubes. So that's roughly £2 per tube. Various shades of flesh colours, these ones, but I was using it for a different application. They're all acrylic paints, of course. These are not enamel paints. So at £2 a shot, well, I think that's actually worth it. I don't really go in for sort of unboxing videos here on the channel, but one thing I will point out is the packaging. And of course, it's designed to work in a retail outlet cutout piece. You can see there how it would be displayed in a retail outlet on a sort of peg. And that's fine as far as it goes. What I'm actually going to do with my Vallejo paint set is to remove this section here. And the reason is that once I've done that, it'll be able to stand upright in my particular storage system that I've invested in. It's not expensive. It's certainly not an industry leader and dedicated to scale model making. But for my particular storage system, it'll work best without that top piece. And I'll be able to keep these paints upright in the packaging, ready to go at any time. As for the paint itself, well, of course, it's acrylic in these eyedropper tubes, as we've already mentioned. Comes out of the tube quite thick and stodgy, there it is, but it's ideal for what I want. And this is the project that I'm using it on. And it's a client's project, it's to replicate some wood. So we'll put a little bit on and see how it goes. It's really just to give a sort of wood background colour prior to a little bit of detail. But it actually works. Goes on okay. And just get that bit there. And there we go. Drying time on this one, about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes, and I found it to be dry. And that's great because that means we can speed up our work. So overall, are these paint sets worth the money? Well, I think they are. £2 a tube for these paints, various shades, and absolutely ideal for me. They may not be ideal for you, of course. You have to make your own decisions. But I like them, and I'm certainly going to be buying some more of these. That's it for this one. Take care, stay safe. From St. Blazey Model World. Bye-bye.